Thank you for joining Ride Fit Nation, hosted by Sensei. This is where you ride your ride and leave the excuses on the road. Our mission on this channel is to go for miles, money, and muscle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's go.
Woo. It's a hot day today, guys. Well, it's been a while since I spoke to you guys on the bike while I'm riding and talking. So I'm gonna go and do a little slow ride practicing. You can never get enough practice. You see what I'm saying? Slow ride practice to me is more important than speeding. Speeding, it's easy. Anybody can speed, anybody can go at specific paces, at tempos. People can do all kinds of stuff. But slow riding is essential to your longevity when it comes to being a better rider. Especially when you ride a lot, you want to learn how to learn your bike. You want to know your bike. You want to build on your bike. Did I forget my strap? Hold on a second, I didn't put my strap on. Prime example of safety, just those little things, man. I don't care where I'm at, I'll literally stop and pull over. How many times have you forgotten your straps? Come on, this happens to all of us. And these are just prime examples of just playing it safe. Most people will probably just keep on riding. No big deal, right? No, it is a big deal. You want to keep your helmet planted on your head where it needs to be. You see what I'm saying? So, safety. Today we're going to talk about mounting your bike and dismounting your bike, especially for those of you who have back problems, knee problems, and all of those other issues that makes it hard to get on and off your bike. I've seen so many people literally collapse or fall or damn near break an ankle trying to get off the motorcycle, and then they got to do a head start, a running start to get on the motorcycle. And there are ways to get on your motorcycle that you don't have to worry about it that way. And you know, when you watch the moto unit from the police department, you want to be a better rider, you watch those guys, because they do everything correctly. They dismount properly, they mount properly, they handle their bikes properly. They do all of those things that we should be doing properly. Even when they ride together as a unit, as a group, they look good together, right? When they pull up into a situation, they come off the same time. They have their intercoms and they're talking to each other, and the captain will tell them what to do at the same time. Dismount, boom, handlebars, boom, they turn, boom, everything is done sharp. I love it. I freaking love it. That's what a group is supposed to look like. So yeah, I ain't lying. Big respects to all of my guys who's on the force or who has been on the force and is a part of that motor unit. You guys know how to handle yourself, man. All right, so I'm gonna go down to my church parking lot. Not my church, but it's my church parking lot, because this is where I come to all the time, just to get my little turns and stuff, get a little better on those stuff. And then I'm gonna show you how to dismount and how to mount your bike. Just take a second and just enjoy the view. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. The weather feels great. The sun feels great. The wind feels great. Man. Oh, guys, so listen real quick. So next year we are planning a ride in August 2024. We're going to be going out to California, and then from California we're going out to Sturgis. And I'm going to be promoting these rides because I want to start to get you guys to be a part of it. So if you want to be a part of the ride, then let me know if it's something that you choose to do. It would be great to have you guys join us. Maybe you're in a state that's on the way. You know, we're gonna promote the routes that we're gonna take and all that, so you can join us, man. Join the Iron Bread Club. We are gonna be out there. It's gonna be about maybe 2 weeks on the road for us, you know, because we're, like I said, we're gonna be going out to California, and then we're gonna be going out to Sturgis, and that's gonna be a nice ride because, you know, I told you guys, my mission to hit these states. I'm very serious about it. So leave it in the comments. Let me know if you're interested in joining on this ride with us. You know, we'll meet you in your state on the way. So if you're in Texas, Arizona, we will meet you on the way. We'll just set up some meeting points that we can get as many guys and girls riding out to California and just doing what we do, man, to put the miles on. And if you up for going up to the Dakotas, up to North Dakota, the Sturgis, then by all means, do it. All right, so I'm excited about that ride. And then I want to hit like Michigan. I got to hit Chicago. I got to hit all these different states, man. 2 years I'm going to give myself, because, hey, it's a big state. This country's big, and this motorcycle is small. Big country, small motorcycle. All right, so I'm going to pull up into this spot right now, and then I'm going to take out my tripod, and I'm going to show you guys the dismount and mount and how to get it done the right way. All right, so let's do it. All right, let me talk to you about how to mount your motorcycle. It's nice and easy. So a lot of times, including myself, we'll go all the way to the right side, well, to the left side. And, you know, if you got flexibility, you got flexible jeans on, you can mount your bike normally. That's good if you have the mobility. That's fine. And then when we get off, some guys will get off and they'll do like this, and then their foot will get stuck, and then they'll start to trip all over the place. All right, so let's stop all that. Let me show you a few ways on how to mount your motorcycle safely. So first thing first, you want to mount from the high side of the bike. I'm going to turn the handlebar all the way out. That way I have a lot of room here for security. If I come on this side of the bike, the handlebar is much lower. I don't have any room for security. I'm going to put my right hand or my left hand. In this case, I'm going to use my right hand, and I'm going to squeeze the brake. Now, when I squeeze the brake, I step on over. I have my support. I have my security, and I'm on. When I'm ready to get off the bike, the same exact thing. I'm going to reach over, grab the brake, and I'm going to pull myself up, support my weight. That means that there's no way you're going to lose your balance. You see what I'm saying? So if I'm going up like this and I get up, and let's say your foot gets stuck, you can still hop out and have support, and you're good. All right, the next one is my favorite. If you got back issues, you might not be able to get your legs all the way up, because look, you got the backrest, you got the tour pack. You're gonna have to get your legs up higher. This one folds down, so that gives me some room. So here's what you do. Handlebars turn, right hand squeeze the brake, right foot is up on top of this stand. Now look, I could stand on my bike. A lot of you might not even know you can, because you think it's gonna topple over. No, I can stand on the bike, take myself over, sit down, hand on the brake, release the brake. If I wanna get off the bike, I do the same exact thing. I pull up, hand on the brake, up, here, take my time, and come off, just like that. 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's how you mount and how you dismount your motorcycle. I gave you 2 ways. All right, so let's get it. Don't forget, leave those comments, share, let me know if you found this video helpful or not. bit of practice. Ain't beautiful, but it's perfect. Here I go. Dismount, hand on the brakes, step on over, and you are done. That's it. All right, give it a shot. Leave it in the comments. Let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, I'm out. Peace.